Hello everyone. In this video I will going to discuss the summary part of clinical pharmacy topic. Basically this is for diploma in pharmacy first year students. So in the summary part I will discuss the responsibilities of the clinical pharmacist. So mainly the clinical pharmacists are involved in designing patient specific drug doses regimens, then recommending or scheduling measurements of drug concentration in biological fluid, then your monitoring and adjusting dosage regimen. That is, clinical pharmacist will monitor and adjusting the dose regimen, evaluating unusual patient responses to drug therapy for possible pharmacokinetic and pharmacologic explanations, then your communicating patient specific drug therapy information to physicians, nurses and other clinical practitioners and to patients orally and in writing also, and including documentation of this in the patient health record. So educating pharmacists, physicians, nurses and other clinical practitioners about pharmacokinetic principles and appropriate indications for clinical pharmacokinetic monitoring, including the your cost-effective use of drug and concentration measurements. Then next point is developing quality assurance programs for documenting improved patient outcomes and your economic benefits. Promoting collaborative relationship with other individuals and departments involved in drug therapy. Pharmacist, that is clinical pharmacist with specialized education, training or experience may have the opportunity to assume the following additional responsibilities. Point A, that is designing and conducting research. Point B, developing and applying computer programs and point of care information system to enhance the accuracy and sophistication of pharmacokinetic modeling and application to pharmaceutical care. Next point, serving as an expert consultant to pharmacists with a general background in clinical pharmacokinetic monitoring. Then serving as an expert, that is clinical pharmacist can serve or serving as an expert consultant to pharmacists with a general background in clinical pharmacokinetic monitoring. Okay. Now a question comes to our mind: how does clinical pharmacy differ from a normal pharmacy, retail pharmacy? The discipline of pharmacy embraces the knowledge on synthesis, chemistry and preparation of drugs. We all know that. Then clinical pharmacy is more oriented to the analysis of population needs with regards to medicine, ways of administration, patterns of use and drugs effects on the patient. The focus on attention moves from the drug to the single patient or drugs. What is the goal? To promote the correct and appropriate use of medicinal products and devices. Those activities aimed at point 1, your maybe maximizing the clinical effect of medicine, then minimizing the risks of treatment induced adverse events, then you are minimizing the expenditure for pharmacological treatment. Okay. So this is the your summary part of this topic, that is clinical pharmacy. So thank you for watching this video.